is calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling.
Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to add freeze frame for your video using Filmora 9. Actually, I published another tutorial on how to add freeze frame in Filmora 9 couple months ago. And this is the second way you can do that. This is the timeline for the example video. Green color sections are freeze frame parts. Once you added freeze frame to video, Filmora 9 will change the color on top of the clip. I will delete it and do it from the beginning so that you can follow my tutorial easier. Firstly, drag your clip on the timeline. Move the playhead to the position you want to add freeze frame. Right-click on the clip. Select freeze frame from the drop-down menu. Let's preview it. That's perfect. To control the duration of the freeze frame, click on the green section, select duration and change the number in this box. For example, I will change the duration to 3 seconds. As you can see, the clip is now shorter. If you wanted to change the color of the freeze frame like what you've just seen, you will need to split the clip at beginning and the end of the freeze frame. Use color correction tool to change the color as normally. That's how you can add freeze frame in Filmora 9. I hope you enjoy the tutorial. If you have any question, leave your comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next videos. Bye for now.
So welcome to my channel.